Hey guys, so today I thought I'd make a real quick video. I just bought myself a cast iron hot pan camp oven. I thought I'm gonna try and restore this thing, and I thought why not make a video about it. So I'll just come and show you. It's very old, rusted and shit. I reckon I can fix it. You usually can fix cast iron. It cost me 25 bucks. It's not a very large one. Look inside, I started sort of cleaning it. That's when I thought I might make a video. So when I'm done with it, she's gonna be beautiful. But even like the outside's just rust. So yeah, I'm keen. Give it a nice scrub up like myself. Pretty scrubbed up, pretty sexy. Yeah, I love these sort of videos where you see them restore shit. They get something old and shitty and then change it to be fucking beautiful. So the plan is anyways, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to soak it in vinegar for like maybe an hour or something like that. I'm gonna put washing powder on it, give it a good scrub with some steel wool. Cuzzy wuzzy. All right, bring it on. Let's restore this shit. Gonna add some vinegar to it now. So it's done pretty good, but it still needs a lot more. Alright, so we've got the pot here. I'm gonna wash this off now. Look at that already. Oh wow. Coming up a lot better, isn't it? Look at that. It's really cleaned up pretty well.
Calling you up at 2 in the morning, but you don't wanna talk, you don't wanna bother. Yeah, so I took another shot, let my brain do the walking. I don't wanna be your friend, I want something real. Maybe if I stay the night, you could feel the same. And maybe if you treat me right, we could rearrange. But I'm not even gonna try if you don't wanna stay. So how's it gonna be? You got me on my knees. I don't need no roses on my bed. If I could pull you closer to me, babe, ain't nobody.
So guys, finally finished my pot. I've been scrubbing it for ages using baking soda, vinegar, steel wool, a wire brush. I oiled it up, put it in the oven for an hour, pulled it out. I'll show you the final product. What do you think I should cook in it first? You know, I could cook up a nice stew or lamb shanks or put a whole chook in there. I'm so excited for this. I'm so keen. Bought that for 25 bucks. I wonder how much I could sell that for now. Just a little bit of loving. Because these aren't cheap. These are dear, they're pricey. And it's perfect size, you know, it's not too big. If it's too big, it takes longer to cook, more coals, all that crap. Well, there we have it guys. That was my cast iron pot restoration. How do you say that? Restore? Restoration. Anyways guys, if you like this, leave a like, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. See you later.